Have you ever wondered why the zodiac constellations are so well known in both astronomy and astrology? These are not just random groups of stars scattered across the night sky. They hold ancient stories, and for thousands of years, they've been celestial markers that civilizations used to guide their lives. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey through the cosmos to uncover the secrets of these 12 zodiac constellations. What do they reveal to us from a scientific standpoint, and what do they mean in the mystical world of astrology? Get ready to dive into the deep history and hidden meanings behind these stars, because this is going to be a fascinating exploration like no other. Imagine gazing up at the night sky and realizing that beyond the infinite beauty of the stars, there lies a profound connection to humanity. Every zodiac constellation not only marks the position of stars in the vast universe, but also reflects symbols of power, fate, and mystery. Why are these constellations so significant in both astronomy and astrology? What can they reveal about our past and future? Stick with me until the end of this video, and you'll discover how these constellations influence far more than you might think. Before we dive deeper, if you're as intrigued by the cosmos as I am, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, Exploring the Universe. This journey is just beginning, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Yes. The zodiac constellations are 12 star groupings that mark the path the sun travels across the sky throughout the year. This imaginary path is known as the ecliptic, and each of these constellations corresponds to a different month, forming the zodiac wheel that we are all familiar with. Each constellation has its own symbolism and mythology, both in astrology and astronomy. In astronomy, they serve as celestial landmarks, helping astronomers to locate specific stars, planets, and other celestial phenomena. In astrology, these constellations are tied to personal traits, life events, and even destiny, with each one influencing different aspects of personality based on the position of the sun at the time of a person's birth. What many people don't realize is that these constellations are not static. Over millennia, their positions in the sky shift due to a phenomenon called the precession of the equinoxes. This gradual movement happens because the Earth's axis slowly wobbles like a spinning top, changing the orientation of the sky over time. As a result, the sun's position in relation to the constellations slightly alters each year. This means that thousands of years ago, the zodiac as we know it today would have looked quite different. Despite their celestial movement, the significance of these constellations remains deeply rooted in both science and mysticism. In astrology, they represent the 12 archetypes of human nature, each associated with specific traits, challenges, and opportunities. From Aries, the bold initiator, to Pisces, the empathetic dreamer, these star formations have influenced personal identities and cultural stories for centuries. While astronomy sees them as fascinating star patterns, astrology views them as cosmic keys to understanding human life. Each of the 12 zodiac constellations has its roots in ancient mythology, primarily from Greek and Roman traditions, but many of their stories stretch back even further into the lore of earlier civilizations. These myths were not just imaginative tales, they were ways for ancient peoples to make sense of the world around them, using the sky as a canvas for their beliefs, values, and lessons. Take the constellation Aries, for example. Aries is symbolized by the ram, which is connected to the Greek myth of Jason and the Argonauts. In the story, Jason embarks on a perilous journey to find the Golden Fleece, which comes from a divine ram sent by the gods to rescue two children. This myth is not just a tale of adventure, it's also about leadership, bravery, and the willingness to face overwhelming odds. For ancient civilizations, seeing Aries in the sky was a reminder of these qualities. Taurus, represented by the bull, is another constellation rich in mythological meaning. In one of the most famous myths, the bull is tied to the legend of the Minotaur, a fearsome creature from Crete that lived in a labyrinth. But beyond the fearsome Minotaur, the bull was often seen as a symbol of power, fertility, and abundance, reflecting the agricultural societies that revered the constellations. These stories weren't just ways of explaining the heavens, they were deeply embedded symbols of strength, courage, and resilience. When people looked to the stars, they weren't just seeing points of light, they were seeing reflections of their own struggles, hopes, and triumphs. The constellations served as a cosmic mirror for human life, teaching valuable lessons about the nature of existence, morality, and the world beyond. By understanding the stories behind these constellations, we gain insight into how ancient cultures viewed the universe. Their interpretation of the stars influenced both their science and their art. blending astronomical observation with powerful narratives that have persisted through time. These celestial myths have shaped the way we see the world, from the scientific endeavors of early astronomers to the cultural and spiritual beliefs that continue to resonate today. In modern astronomy, the zodiac constellations still play a significant role, despite the advancements in technology and deep space exploration. These star groupings serve as essential celestial maps that help astronomers navigate the night sky. Each constellation represents a region of the sky, making it easier for scientists to locate celestial bodies, track their movements, and understand the dynamic systems at play in the cosmos. For instance, when we mention constellations like Scorpio or Sagittarius, we're referring to areas rich with stars and astronomical objects. Sagittarius in particular is home to the center of our Milky Way galaxy. The supermassive black hole at the heart of our galaxy, known as Sagittarius A, resides in this constellation. Scorpio, with its distinctive tail and claws, is another region teeming with star clusters and nebulae, making it a fascinating area for both amateur and professional astronomers to observe. Additionally, the zodiac constellations often act as markers for significant astronomical events. For example, meteor showers such as the Perseids or Geminids appear to originate from specific constellations, making them easier to predict and observe. The zodiac also helps in determining the timing of solar and lunar eclipses, as the positions of the sun, moon, and planets in relation to these constellations indicate when these celestial events will occur. While constellations like Leo or Libra may not influence our fate as astrology suggests, they certainly help astronomers explore the vast universe, acting as guideposts in the sky. Now that you know a bit more about how astronomers use constellations as tools to understand the universe, which constellation intrigues you the most? Do you think these constellations have a real impact on our lives, or are they simply beautiful patterns in the night sky? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying this cosmic journey, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos about the wonders of astronomy. Unlike astronomy, which observes the sky through a scientific lens, astrology uses the constellations to interpret human destiny and personality. In astrology, the zodiac represents a cosmic cycle that influences every aspect of life, from personal traits to important life events. Each of the 12 zodiac constellations corresponds to a particular time of the year and is believed to govern the characteristics of those born under it. While astronomy deals with the physical properties of these stars, astrology focuses on their symbolic meaning, tying human life to the movement of the cosmos. For example, Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, symbolizes new beginnings, courage, and leadership. It's associated with spring, the season of renewal, and is said to influence those born under it to be bold, energetic, and determined. On the other hand, Capricorn, represented by the goat, stands for discipline, hard work, and ambition. It is tied to the winter months, a time of reflection and perseverance, and those born under Capricorn are believed to be grounded, practical, and goal-oriented. Despite the differences between science and astrology, we can't deny the historical and cultural significance that the zodiac constellations have played in shaping human thought. Ancient civilizations turned to these star patterns not only to navigate the physical world, but also to seek guidance in their personal lives. Astrological interpretations provided explanations for life's mysteries long before the scientific revolution, offering a framework for understanding human nature and the cycles of life. Even in the modern world, astrology continues to hold a strong influence. Whether you view it as a powerful tool for self-reflection or simply a fun pastime, the zodiac remains deeply ingrained in our culture. People still look to their horoscopes to gain insights into their day-to-day lives, relationships, and future possibilities, often feeling a personal connection to their zodiac sign and the traits it represents. While astronomy and astrology may serve different purposes, both remind us of our profound relationship with the stars. Some of the greatest astronomical discoveries have their roots in the study of constellations. For centuries, constellations have served as essential reference points for astronomers, guiding them in the observation and discovery of celestial phenomena. From exoplanet discoveries to the detection of black holes, constellations help scientists map the vastness of space and track cosmic events that would otherwise be difficult to locate. Take the constellation Aquarius, for instance. This seemingly ordinary star pattern has been a key area of study for astronomers exploring distant planets. Within this constellation, scientists identified several exoplanets orbiting stars light years away, shedding new light on the possibility of life beyond our solar system. These discoveries are groundbreaking as they offer clues about planetary formation, habitability, and the diversity of celestial bodies across the universe. Similarly, the constellation Sagittarius is home to one of the most significant astronomical discoveries of the modern era, the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A at the center of our galaxy. This black hole, located 26,000 light-years from Earth, has been observed using constellations as a guidepost, allowing astronomers to understand the dynamic forces at play in our galaxy's core. By studying the gravitational influence of Sagittarius A on surrounding stars, scientists have gained unprecedented insights into the behavior of black holes and their role in shaping galaxies. Constellations like Orion, known for its brilliant stars, have also played a crucial role in stellar research. Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in Orion, has been the subject of intense study due to its unpredictable dimming and brightening cycles, leading scientists to speculate about its future as a potential supernova. Observations of this star, framed by the larger constellation, continue to reveal the life cycle of stars and the explosive processes that occur in their final stages. Every constellation holds hidden mysteries, waiting to be unraveled by modern science. As we continue to study these celestial formations, we uncover new data that expands our understanding of the universe, from the formation of stars and galaxies to the detection of distant planets and exotic cosmic objects. The constellations not only help us navigate the night sky, but also act as signposts for uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. The study of stars is, and will always be, a science that evolves with every new discovery, continually fueling our curiosity and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. What if I told you that, despite all the scientific advances we've made, there's still so much we don't know about the zodiac constellations? The stars that make up these familiar patterns are located thousands of light years away from Earth, meaning what we see in the night sky today is not the present, but a glimpse into the distant past. Each time you look up at the stars, you're essentially peering into an ancient version of the universe. Some of the stars may no longer even exist by the time their light reaches us. This mind-blowing concept reminds us just how vast and mysterious the cosmos truly is. This realization raises the question, what else is the universe hiding from us? What secrets lie beyond the constellations we can see in the darkness between the stars? The more we study the zodiac constellations, the more we realize that they are just the beginning of an endless journey into the unknown. For every discovery we make, there are countless more mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The constellations are not just markers in the sky, they are keys to unlocking the universe's most profound secrets. They invite us to explore deeper, to question more, and to wonder about our place in this vast, ever-expanding cosmos. As we continue to study the stars, we find ourselves at the threshold of infinite possibilities. From the formation of galaxies to the search for life on distant planets, the exploration of constellations could hold the answers to some of the greatest questions humanity has ever asked. So, the next time you look up at the zodiac, remember, you're not just seeing the past, you're witnessing the start of a cosmic adventure that may one day redefine our understanding of everything. What we know is only a fraction of what the universe still has to reveal. The zodiac constellations are not just bright points in the sky, they are silent witnesses to both our history and our future. As we gaze upon them, we're reminded of our deep connection to the cosmos, a bond that transcends the realms of both science and astrology. These constellations have been guiding humanity for millennia, and their presence in the night sky continues to inspire wonder and curiosity. They represent not only the mysteries of the universe, but also the timeless journey of human discovery, imagination, and reflection. When we look at the zodiac constellations, we see more than stars. We see a reflection of ourselves. These celestial patterns have guided ancient navigators, sparked the creativity of myth makers, and even shaped the way we understand time, fate, and personality. But beyond that, they invite us to ponder bigger questions about our place in the universe, the nature of existence, and the connection between the past, present, and future. Are the stars mere coincidences of light, or do they hold deeper truths about who we are and where we're headed? In a way, the constellations challenge us to explore not just the cosmos, but also our inner selves. They remind us that just like the universe, there's so much left to discover within and beyond. As we continue to search the skies for answers, we're also seeking a greater understanding of life, of reality, and of what it means to be human. And now I leave you with a question. What do you think the constellations can reveal about us? Do they hold the keys to our destiny, or are they simply beautiful guides in the vastness of space? Let this reflection linger with you as you continue your own journey through the cosmos. If you've been as fascinated as I am by these constellations and all the incredible stories they hold, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of the exciting videos we have lined up. Together, we'll keep exploring the cosmos, unraveling its mysteries, and deepening our understanding of the universe. There's so much more to discover, and I can't wait to share it with you.